Okay, so we got our set and reset. Now we'll try and demonstrate it using the simulator. So if we go simulation, we go work online simulation. So it's making a simulated PLC within the PC.
That's what that meant. I thought you actually needed to be connected to that PLC to make that work.
No, this one's just runs on
Yep.
here, just the same behavior.
Mm-hmm.
So if we maybe set that on, that should drive that. So it's one of the ultrasonics has come on, someone's on the tracks.
Mm-hmm.
It's driven the working bit, which is then driven the set.
Yep.
So now I can unset that. I just set it off. So that's gone off, but the set has remained on, and that output has remained on. So the output light on here would be showing, it'll be driving electrical signal.
Yep.
So even if we were to have that come on again, I'll use Control J and Control K to force it on and force it off.
Yep.
Oh yeah, and Control L to clear the forces. So even if we do that, it's just remains the same.
Yep.
But I'll just cross that off. But then if we put this one on, that should reset it. So now it's gone off. So whenever any sort of signal comes in here, even if it's a lot of odd signals, then that will reset it. So you can have all sorts of different contacts down here. All of these ones make it set, and all of these ones make it reset. So it's nice and simple. One line for setting it, one line for resetting it.
I can see how that works, mate. And then then when we want to put a time, this contact wants to be timed.
Okay.
For
so
that
we want to add a
2-second
timer
gig.
in there. Okay.
So we want to change that really from just a contact, don't we, to an input that then sets